Hud-son Forest Equipment is proud to present its new 21-inch sawmill, the Oscar-121. At $27.95, this little mill can pay for itself in a matter of weekends. This is a great mill for a landowner or farmer, even homeowners. Let's face it, $2,800 doesn't go very far at the lumberyard. It's easy to see why so many people love this little mill. With its 10 horsepower gas engine, the Oscar-121 will make easy work out of any log under 21 inches. The Oscar-121 comes standard with 1.5-inch bearings and shafts, Hud-son shoe guides, lubrication system, cam lock dogs, and a measuring stick with both standard and quarter scales. The head is easily raised or lowered for cutting using the hand crank winch.